Hey ladies and gents, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kiesha Allen. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and also hit the bell notification button to receive notifications for my new videos. Now, let's get into the video. Alright, ladies and gents, so as you can see from the title, I am doing a review on the famous Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. I wanted to try this a long time ago and I didn't have the funds at the time, so I couldn't get it, obviously. But I've seen every female YouTuber and their mamas using this thing, so I really want to try it. And hopefully, you know, I get similar results, if not better. Not even gonna lie to you. So if you are a type 4 hair person, then you know it takes forever to detangle this. Like, forever. Like, as I'm talking to y'all right now, I have a huge knot just sitting in my hair. And that is going to be on another video of why there's a big knot in my hair. But for now, we just gonna work with what we got. So I'm going to be trying this hair dryer and hopefully it does something to my hair. So what I'm going to do is cut the seam right here and plug it up and do everything I need to do, and then I'll come back. Alright, ladies and gents, so I opened up the box and this is what it comes in. And it's just like a plastic bag or whatever. So I'm going to cut it open and do what I gotta do. I think I'm just supposed to plug it in, to be honest, but who knows. The reason why I'm cutting it instead of ripping it is because if I have to return this because something's wrong with it, then I can still do so. Y'all just don't know, okay? Broke college student. I can't just be wasting money. But this is literally what it looked like so far. And I'm going to take this other plastic thing off. Okay, got that off. Okay, slide that over. Put this in here. Put this in here. Put this in the box. Put this down here. Okay. So this is what it looked like. It looks kind of cool. It's got like bristles and they actually move, which is kind of cool. And it has different settings on it. So it's cool, low, and high. So yeah, that's basically what the settings are on here. I'm going to plug this up and hope the power doesn't go out. Yeah, that's what kind of place I live in right now. But let's see. I think I gotta unplug my ring light. This is so sad. Y'all gonna see the camera shape. But yeah, there we go. I gotta find my dogs. Okay. I really have to go through all of this just to plug this up. Y'all just don't know. And I'm leaving the camera on so y'all can literally see what I go through. Because, listen, it's a struggle. This room is small. It doesn't matter how I fix it up, how my mama fix it up. It's just always a struggle. So, I'm going to plug it in and hope for the best that the power doesn't go out. Yeah. Let's see if it cuts on. Okay. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. But I'm going to try it on my hair and hopefully It's okay. I'm gonna put it on cool to start with, and if cool does nothing for my hair, I'm gonna go to low. But I feel like the only way I would go to high is if I'm rushing and I have to put heat protectant on, obviously, because we're trying to keep the little curls we got. So I'm going to probably speed up this process after this little clip. So yeah, let's go. Alright, ladies and gents, so as y'all can see, this part is dry, at least partially. It takes a long time for my hair to really dry, but I mean, it's okay. I don't know. I don't know. Like, the bottom of my hair is not like fully dry like I want it to be, and that's probably because I didn't comb through it like regular, if that makes any sense. But I mean, this got my hair pretty dry. Not like bone dry, but dry enough. And I don't know. I don't know. My hair literally goes down to here. So, who knows? But I'm going to finish my entire head and then I will come back. So I will see y'all then. Alright, ladies and gents, so as y'all can see, I'm done with blow drying my head, and I don't know if I like it or not. Not even gonna lie to you, because, well, one, there was a lot of hair that came out, and I mean a lot. Like, hold on. Yeah, I'm really struggling over here. Okay. So, this is all the hair that came out while I was just blow drying my hair. And obviously, I'm not a professional at my hair. I don't claim to be. I just show y'all my natural hair journey and how much of a hot mess I am at doing my hair. So, this is literally what my hair look like now. Obviously, it's blown out. There's a lot that goes into this, so yeah. My hair, when it's blow dried, let me get some hair, like some real hair over here. Alright, so when it's blow dried, it goes down to here, if y'all can see. So yeah, so that's like here. But yeah, do I recommend this? Maybe. It depends. Like, yeah, it takes away the time that it takes to actually blow dry your hair, but is it worth losing all this hair? I don't know. I don't know. And it could be by the way I was doing it. I could have done it a little softer. But y'all have to remember, my hair is type 4. It takes forever to do my hair. I'm quite over this whole wash a day like routine I got going on right now. So that could have a lot of effect to what's going on. But at the same time, I'm just like, it doesn't look bad. Now, my hair is not fully dry. And that's obvious because it takes forever for my hair to actually dry. Like, my hair won't be dry for like the next 2-3 days. And I don't know why my hair is like that, but that's what I'm dealing with. And I think the product is okay. Now, I will say the cool, low, and high temperatures, I wish they were numbers. And that way I could kind of gauge it that way, because the cool is a little too cool, and then the low, it seems like it's high, but when you put it on high, you know for a fact you're burning your hair. Like, when I was doing it, I noticed a bunch of smoke, and that terrified me. Hence why y'all will see me look down and then look back up at y'all and then pick this up. So if y'all don't know, it's just a heat protector. But y'all, I'm terrified to wash my hair again, because I don't know how bad this heat damage is going to be. Part of me think it's going to be horrendous and I'm going to have to cut all my hair off, because my hair is already like bad and I need to cut it off, but I can't cut it off, and I just don't know. But I have to give myself some kudos today because my scalp looks pretty clean. Y'all just don't know, okay? I have a dandruff problem, and my hair, I don't know if y'all just heard that snapping noise. That was my hair. But, like, the struggle with my dandruff is that I will try a product and it won't work, and then the next time I'll try a different product and it will work. But I don't know. My scalp looks pretty clean though. But yeah, final thoughts on this. Would I recommend it? Yes and no. The reason why I say yes is because it's a quicker way to dry your hair. But I would say no if your hair is weak like mine and it breaks easily. So that's my final review. Yes and no. But as far as price is concerned, I don't think it costs that much. But if you're a broke college student like me and your funds is like iffy, I don't know if I would recommend it because of the price. Like, I don't know. Like, don't get me wrong, the brand is cool. It's just for hair, like type 4 hair. I just don't know. But my camera is really overheating right now, so hold that thought. Alright, ladies and gents, so I let my camera cool down a little bit, but I know it's probably going to cut off. But final review, do I recommend it? Yes and no. And I don't know. I put my hair up, by the way, because it's hot, okay? But I think I would use this maybe like once every couple of months just to see how long my hair gets, because y'all know with type 4 hair, or any kind of hair to be honest, that is natural, it shrinks. But with type 4, it shrinks a whole lot more than the other types. But yeah, I need to get my ends cut and everything, so I may ask my mama to do that, to be honest. But yeah, I think it's a pretty good product, even though there's a lot of hair that came out. But I think it's okay for the most part. And if y'all want to find this product, I'm pretty sure it's at any store you go to, honestly, that sells hair products, like Sally's or Walmart or Target. I'm pretty sure all those places have it, because I got mine from Walmart. But yeah, that's basically all I can say about this product. I will let y'all know in a future video if I have a lot of heat damage or not, because y'all just don't know, okay? But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below any video suggestions that you have, or if you have any suggestions on my hair and how to basically combat the shedding, let me know in the comment section, because I need something to help. But yeah, don't forget to turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, bees and gents.